What's up, YouTube? I'm Alberta26. I looked away. What's up, YouTube? I'm Alberta26, and today I just wanted to go over my daily beard care routine. I do this in the morning immediately after I get out of the shower, so my beard is like sort of towel dry. It's pretty quick. You can probably do it in about 10 minutes. You know, the longer you spend on it, the more you're going to get out of it. But if you're just trying to deal with that I slept on it look, because you were like, sleepy, 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 and then your beard's all matted in, so you know I'm going to have that. Oh, it's going to bother the fuck out of me. Ignore it. Anyway, you just want to get that out, then this is good for that. All you need is a comb that you like and a hair dryer on a low heat setting. Don't go high heat. Your beard is fragile. Your face will get so dried out. Low heat setting, one comb. Let's see how it's done. Like I said, you need a comb. I like this kind of comb. It's pretty nice. Came with some clippers that I had, so, oh my god, what is that? What the fuck is that? Moving on, you also need a hair dryer. I just use the one my wife has. So I start by combing up, trying to dry the underside because I don't want to have a wet spot underneath when I'm working on the front. So now that I've done that, I'm combing down. I start by pulling forward here at the ear. Sometimes that'll curve like way under your ear. I'm just kind of trying to give it a reason not to. This is good form right here, the over the top of the head. Coming around the front. Pulling this other side over. There's no way that it's really going to stay pushed that far over, but it does help keep the beard centered. So now as we comb it down, you can see right here I've got pretty good colic right here on the side, just this indentation. So I'm going to comb it out. I'm going to bring the comb down and then push in and twist. So you see how I kind of twisted? Now I'm not pulling off of my face when I do this. I'm trying to pull down. If you pull off, it's not going to give you the desired effect. So that's kind of helping. Now you're going to have to do it a couple times. One and done is not going to work. And you don't want to hold the heat on it for too long or you'll get like a actual permanent visible like crease in it. So here I am doing another spot. You can see I'm trying to pull it straight down, hit it with the heat. It's important to take the heat off in between combings or it's just going to blow it all around and not really help you. And down at the bottom, I do twist it a little bit as well because I want it to curl in and under. I don't want it to kind of fly out from under my chin. Here I am again, just pulling down, pull the comb through, twist it out, just like that. Now you can see that indentation that was there to begin with is gone. So we're coming over the other side here. Same thing, right? Straight down. Give it the heat. Give it the heat. So you probably noticed that crinkle that was like kind of stuck there. That won't stay. I didn't hold it for too long. I didn't give it too much heat. So like when you pull away at first, it'll probably linger for a minute, but as you comb through, it'll straighten back out. Now up in the middle here, now I didn't have too much of a crease to begin with, so this is already in pretty good shape, but never hurts to just give it a little love. So now that we're done with that, I'm going to oil up. Really liked how that smelled, I guess. Just working it on the hands and then start applying to the beard. Want to make sure you cover the whole surface area of the beard as well as working it down to your skin. Don't forget your mustache. Oh yeah, work that. Mustache, 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 mustache. Yeah, okay. Don't forget your mustache, but get it all over your whole beard and your face as well. Once you got your product in, give yourself another combing here. Just want to kind of get it laying the way you want. You can see it's kind of laying flatter to my face now that it's got product in it. So I'm just putting some finishing touches in here. Very last step for me here is going to be to mustache wax it up. I trimmed my mustache a while back so I could grow it back out and train it as I went. Got some decent wax for that, and I'm going to put it in right now. Wax has got a lot more hold than a balm or an oil, obviously. You don't need very much if your mustache is as long as mine. Just kind of work it onto both of my index fingers here, and then onto the stash. Part the red C there, or the blonde C in my case, I guess. I start with a little bit more than I might need necessarily, but it kind of takes back its shape throughout the day, so having a little bit extra in there is just going to give you that hold. I just hate eating my mustache, so. And then you do want to hit it with the comb just a little bit because that's going to give you a little bit more of a natural look than glopping it on there with your fingers. Just don't spend too much time touching it, especially with your hands. You're pulling wax off with your hands every second that you're touching it, and you need it in there to give you that hold. So you know, don't play with it too much. Just get it in there, comb it out, and then let it be. And there you have it. That's a morning routine right there. And there you have it. If I'd taken more time on it, I probably could have got it looking a lot more dapper. I just kind of wanted to give you my everyday instead of maybe like taking a bunch of extra time to look nice for an event or something like that. Like I said, 10 minutes or so is all it really takes. Simple blow dryer, simple plastic comb. You won't regret it. That's my daily routine. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit like, give me feedback in the comments. I improved the lighting for this video at the suggestion of some viewers. So let me know how you thought that went. And if you want to see more from me, you know, subscribe. I would definitely appreciate it. And that's that. I'm Alberta26. Until next time, beard on.